We had a minister who beat people. And had to, was seen with guns. That one is in jail now. He's in jail, the minister. So therefore, this game is finished. I would appeal to Ugandans to be calm, just get the facts. I have seen some of them demonstrating. The demonstration, you may cause some confusion because you may damage some property in the process. Now, violence. There was violence in a constituency called Bukono, the one of Namuganza. People were beaten. I think 12 people were beaten, cut, even cut with the panga, 12 people in the first day. I got information, and they had, the police had not done much work. So I told the Inspector General of Police that if the police did not do their work, I will do it for them because I'm here. By arresting them first, the police officers themselves, and then doing the rest myself because I have the capacity to do it. If you don't do it, we shall do it for you. So, some of the people had been arrested and given a police bond. Somebody who has cut people. You give him police bond. Police bond. We made it clear that there will be no police bond for anybody who has attacked Ugandans. In fact, one of the people who was attacked, I think, was in a critical condition. Up to now, I don't think. Huh? Oh, okay. Yes. Now, then you go to the areas like this Katakwi, which you was talking about. Now, that is the idiocy of a police person. If people were not armed, they were fighting among themselves. Mwezuge are the husks, the other. It has gone from the shisha. The shisha is the sheath. By threshing, you separate. But still, the husks are mixed with the millet. So you do now what they call okwera. Winnowing. When you do like this, the wind takes the husks. You do it, takes the husks. And you remain with less husks, less husks. But then you are not finished. You put it in the, Banyakura call it a shekuru. The mortar, the English call it mortar, I don't know why they call it mortar. Where again you pound. You pound with okshekura. Again, you separate now the remaining husks. And then you winnow again, and the wind helps you take the rest. So we are now winnowing. After a long struggle, the NRM created a good formula for the country, digitally operated. Because the country has the money. For us, for the party, we don't have money to. So, you alter results, we arrest you on forgery. We only need to audit and confirm. The stupid policeman who does not know how to use the gun, that one goes to jail. The ones who are threatening people, if we get the evidence, you will go to jail for that. The ones who beat people, the same. You go to jail for attempted murder, for what. So, the process is going to clean up. Because we have already brought a good formula, this formula of lining up on the one hand, and digital on the other hand, is going to clean up this problem of voting, truthful voting, which we have been struggling for since 19 61. Threats, like 1961 here in Uganda. They go and, because Mengo had said people should not take part in the elections of 1961. Now, the ones who did not listen to that boycott, their coffee was cut. They cut the coffee. I am engaging with young people on the social media. Some of them abuse me, say, you are very stupid. I said, okay, I'm stupid, but I am able to walk on my 2 feet. I answer them also, because they answer, I answer them. I don't have to fight with these children to win them over. And when I send messages to answer them, when there were 10 who were attacking me, you find only 6 remain. 4 answer back, say, the old man has made a good point. Then I remain with 6 who are still, yes, but when are you going home? Yes, going home is not a problem. My home is very well known. I can go home, but first solve your problems of Uganda. First of all, solve tribalism. Work for East African Federation because you need it. You need it for your coffee. You need it for your sugar. For your sugar. You need it for your milk. You first work on your own things. Me have no problem. I have got my home to go to. Then when they answer back, you find that only 4 have remained. You use your language, your tongue, to persuade them, to win them over. So therefore, all those who have made a fool of themselves, like the one who Secretary General was talking about, the one of Butemba, the one who surrounded the press and announced himself, we shall go for him. That one is a candidate for jail. That's forgery, because what happened, we have no right to change it. We had a minister who beat people and had to was seen with guns. That one is in jail now. He's in jail, the minister. So therefore, this game is finished. I would appeal to Ugandans to be calm, just get the facts. I have seen some of them demonstrating. The demonstration, you may cause some confusion because you may damage some property in the process. Simply write your points. We shall act. We are here. When I get these committees, the panels we are going to put at the zones, will be, apart from Otango Doi, will receive the complaints, but I'm also monitoring with the police, with what, because like all these areas where I have intervened, I was told, because we have got systems all over the place. Secretary General told me about Katakwi, some people told me about Bukono, some people told me about Zimbabwe, some people told me about, and I'm really going to hold, because there is the structure of the government everywhere. There is a DPC in a district. Why should people be beaten and you are there and you don't act? And you wait for the president to come and put pressure on you. If you don't do that, I go for you. There's a GISO in every sub-county. Why should bad things happen there and you don't know? And you don't care? RDCs, all those people are there and they are accountable. Today we came for, so I want to assure everybody that what happened the other day was revolutionary. It was the medicine for the cheating which has been going on and we have been struggling with it. We had used it before. In 1989 when we expanded NRC, we used the lining. But we changed in the 1995 constitution, trying to be modern, secret ballot, what, but when people don't have a modern mentality. To be modern in actions, when people don't have a modern mentality, they have a backward mentality of cheating. So that's why we have now gone back to lining. And this lining, you have seen how popular it is. and how useful it is. Anybody who thinks he can somehow manipulate it is wasting his time. He will end up in prison instead of parliament.